Welcome to She Reviews Everything. Today we're going to learn how to make a chocolate cherry crockpot cake. So here are the ingredients for the Black Forest cake, which is a box of chocolate cake mix, a can of cherry pie filling, I have a can opener, I have some chocolate chips, I have some butter, and in addition, if you had a can of soda like cherry Coke, it would really add in making the cake even better, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna go with this. So these are the ingredients, and I'm gonna put it all in the crock pot. So after I open everything, I'm going to come back. First I'm gonna go and melt some butter, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay guys, now my butter is melted. My butter is melted now. So what I'm going to do is take my cake mix, and then I'm going to mix in the melted butter. I'm gonna add a little water to it, and this is where it would be good to add a soda. So I'm gonna show you after everything is completed. So that's what it looks like inside the crock pot. So now I'm going to add the cake mix batter. See how it's nice and smooth? I didn't see everybody do this because I watched a few tutorials and everybody didn't mix theirs. But I decided to do mine a little different. Also add my secret ingredient, some chocolate chips. I think I'm gonna do probably like half of this container. So this is 11 ounce. So I'm gonna put like 5 ounces of the chocolate, and I'm gonna turn it on low, and I will come back and show you how everything looks when the dumped cake is completed. So here is, I just put in the chocolate chips, and I'm going to put the lid on and turn it on low. Okay, we're all set, and I'm gonna come back after it's completed. Okay guys, I think it's done, so I'm gonna take a look and see how it looks. Look at that, the chocolate chips and everything. It looks so delicious. It smells amazing. The whole house smells like chocolate. So I'm gonna serve it up and show you what the final result is. Okay, so I'm about to serve it up so you guys can see how it looks.